Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to fix iPhone auto lock not working. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down and then look for battery. This time, you have to make sure that you haven't turned on this low power mode. Make sure that this one is turned off. If you see this one turned on, you just have to toggle or switch this one off. Next step is still go back to your iPhone settings. This time you have to tap on accessibility or look for accessibility here. So once you tap accessibility, you have to look for guide access. Now you need to turn off this guide access. So when guide access is enabled, auto lock is typically disabled. So the screen stays on during use. This is helpful for presentations, kids use, but interferes with auto lock settings outside of guided access. Make sure that one is turned off. Next, go back to settings, go to display and brightness, and then this time, what you're going to do is you have to scroll down, look for the auto lock option right here. Then once you tap that, you will have your options such as 1 minute, 2 minutes, and so on. So just click and select whatever minute or time you wish. After that, you can now go back. This time you have to go to general, and then once you tap this general, you have to look for software update. You have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your iPhone. Older versions can cause problems, especially when it comes to your system here on your iPhone. And then lastly, again, go to settings, go to general, and then this time you have to look for transfer or reset. Now reset your iPhone. It will not affect any of your data, but somehow fix some glitches and will restore your settings. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.